War India News Hour. What can we expect from the Personal Data Protection Law? India is one of the world's largest democracies. In 2018, a draft of the new law, that is the Personal Data Protection, that is PDP bill, to monitor data privacy in India was introduced in the Parliament. The Government of India rightly took a step towards forming stricter data protection and privacy laws in India. The bill underwent a few changes and the 2019 version was passed by the Cabinet in December 2019, after which it was referred to a joint committee comprising of members of the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, which was presented as a final report at the next budget session for final deliberation before it becomes a law. The PDP bill primarily focuses on the people of India and protecting their privacy. It seeks to provide more control of Indians over their personal information and create a culture towards respecting informational privacy of individuals. The PDP bill talks about parental consent, which processes personal data of a child. This would help in creating more awareness along with an additional layer of safeguard to protect children from online risks. Since the processing of data is based on principles, it would make governments, that is state and central, and the private sector more accountable when personal data of children is processed for educational apps, biometric usage, social media usage, etc. The Government of India would be able to take steps against social media companies and other organizations if data connected to children is misused in any form, especially since social media platforms known to be fraught with cyberbullying or abuse of children may fall under the category of significant data fiduciary. Profiling of data related to children is prohibited, thus safeguarding children from biases or discrimination threats. Let's look into today's headlines in War India. Samsung Notes crosses 1 billion installs on Play Store. Users can write digital or handwritten notes whenever they get an idea and save them for later. Samsung Notes is like having a handy notebook on a phone. The South Korean giant's Samsung Notes has been downloaded more than 1 billion times on Google Play Store. Samsung Notes allows users to create new notes, view, edit, and sync notes with other Galaxy devices. Nordic Semiconductor to expand its presence in India. Nordic Semiconductor is expanding its sales and support presence in India to provide faster customer support to the country's burgeoning high-tech wireless design and manufacturing sectors. The sales and marketing support operations will be based in Bengaluru, known as the Silicon Valley of India, and home to many leading private and public sector tech enterprises. Ingram Micro signs distribution agreement with eMudhra for mSigner. Ingram Micro has announced the addition of mSigner by eMudhra to its cloud portfolio in India. mSigner is a secure, cloud-based automated workflow cum signings solution which can be accessed from anywhere at any time. It allows users to define their own workflows and sign legally binding documents online in a way that is faster and more secure than executing paper documents. An AI-enabled document processing automation platform, mSigner, not only powers electronic signature workflows to transform customer experiences, but also helps manage risk governance better. Visa is geared to reset digital commerce in post-pandemic world. In a bid to do innovations to meet evolving consumer behavior top of agenda at the region's largest security summit, the leader in digital payments Visa has set its focus on strengthening payments security as consumer behavior evolves during the pandemic. Addressing more than 1,500 partners and clients in its first virtual edition of the Asia Pacific Visa Security Summit last week, Visa stressed the need for robust payment experiences in a changing commerce environment. More than 21.80 crore vaccine doses provided to states, union territories. The Government of India has been supporting the states and union territories by providing them COVID vaccines free of cost. In addition, the Government of India has also been facilitating direct procurement of vaccines by the states, union territories. Vaccination is an integral part of the comprehensive strategy of Government of India for containment and management of the pandemic, along with test, track, treat and COVID appropriate behavior. A report states more than 21.80 crore vaccine doses to states and union territories was supplied. That's it for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to Our India News magazine. Stay tuned. Thank you.